I got this video, number 16 on trending, actually. Interesting. I didn't even know that. Xbox just launched their new wireless headset. I don't know if you caught this video, but obviously Sony, they have their first-party headset for the PlayStation 5. And why should Microsoft be left out? So they put this together, and I actually quite like the design, to be honest with you. It's, you know, you got the rounded thing going on here. Kind of looks like a high-end pair of headphones.
Yep.
There's a couple cool features here, being native to the system. There's an auto mute feature, a voice isolation feature for crystal clear chat, and of course direct pairing to your console, up to 15 hours of battery life. Game loud and clear with the all-new Xbox wireless headset. There is something to be said about the first-party product for something like this, where it just integrates very well with all the features. You can also take Bluetooth on there for calls, so you can have it paired up to your phone as well if there's an interruption or something. Of course, you can also bend the microphone out of the way, which is a common feature on headsets. So they thought about a few different things here. I'm curious about the build quality considering the price. It's not an expensive headset. I think it's going to be $99, which I guess, I don't know, is that... It's to compete with Sony's product, obviously. Yeah, $99.99 is the MSRP. You can see the giant wheel on the side there. Is it a wheel? Yeah, it looks like it. Spinning around in the thing, and the green light going around there, too. Very Xboxy. Is that a tattoo on the wrist, by the way?
Yeah, like waves.
Huh.
Symbolic.
Interesting. Do you think that that was considered?
Yes.
Wow.
The way that the sleeve is very, you know.
Couple of waves.
Revealing.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Immerse yourself in the game. I like the simplicity of the product. Sometimes you'll see the microphone component will kind of look a little not very elegant.
Mm-hmm.
This microphone component, I don't know how well it's going to operate, but it has a really simplified look to it. Just a little capsule.
Yeah. No foam.
No foam. And some of them have the foam and then a bendable boom, which is like this little wire.
Yeah.
Which ends up looking, I don't know,
It's
kind of.
like, what are we doing here?
Kind of
so
ugly.
It does spin.
It does spin, right? Yeah.
This part.
Rotate 360. Yeah, like, I mean, that's cool as well. So anyway, I'm excited. I think it's kind of, you know.
Yeah.
It's a clean look to it, as they say. And the question will be around performance, but you got the Dolby stuff in there. And keep in mind, I actually liked Microsoft's product they put out with the Surface headphones. So if they're pulling anything from what they learned over there into this here at a cheaper price point, okay then.
And it will probably integrate with Windows as well.
I mean, that's Microsoft.
Yeah.
There are a couple advantages there to being Microsoft.